Are you constantly tired, feeling weak, dizzy, or short of breath? Low hemoglobin could be silently draining your energy. The good news: you don't always need supplements. The right foods can naturally increase iron levels, improve oxygen flow, and restore your vitality. Stay with me until the end, because the last few foods can dramatically improve iron absorption and make everything else work even better. Number 1. Lean beef. Lean beef is one of the most powerful natural sources of heme iron, the type of iron your body absorbs most efficiently. Unlike plant-based iron, heme iron is absorbed directly into the bloodstream without being heavily affected by other foods. Just one serving can provide a significant portion of your daily iron requirement, making it especially helpful for people struggling with anemia or chronic fatigue. Beyond iron, lean beef contains vitamin B12, zinc, and high-quality protein. Vitamin B12 plays a critical role in red blood cell production, while zinc supports immune function and cellular repair. When your body has enough iron and B12 together, hemoglobin production becomes much more efficient. For best results, choose grass-fed lean cuts and pair them with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers or citrus to enhance absorption even further. Number 2. Chicken liver. Chicken liver is one of the most iron-dense foods on the planet. It contains an exceptional amount of heme iron, making it extremely effective for raising hemoglobin levels quickly. In fact, small portions can provide more iron than many larger servings of other protein sources. What makes chicken liver even more powerful is its combination of iron, folate, vitamin A, and B vitamins. Folate is essential for forming healthy red blood cells, and without enough of it, hemoglobin production can slow down dramatically. If you're serious about improving your iron levels naturally, incorporating liver once or twice a week can make a noticeable difference. Before we move to the next food, please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It helps the channel reach more people who are struggling with low iron and fatigue. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most well-known plant-based sources of iron. Although it contains non-heme iron, which is absorbed less efficiently than heme iron, it still plays a powerful role in improving overall iron intake, especially when combined with vitamin C. Spinach is also rich in folate, magnesium, and antioxidants that support blood health and circulation. Folate is particularly important because it helps your body form mature red blood cells, capable of carrying oxygen efficiently. To maximize iron absorption, lightly cook spinach and pair it with lemon juice or tomatoes. This simple trick significantly improves how much iron your body actually uses. Number 4. Lentils. Lentils are one of the best plant-based sources of iron, making them especially valuable for vegetarians and anyone looking to boost hemoglobin naturally. A single cup provides a solid amount of non-heme iron that supports red blood cell production and helps improve energy levels over time. They're also rich in folate, a B vitamin essential for forming healthy red blood cells. Without enough folate, your body struggles to produce proper hemoglobin, which can worsen fatigue and weakness. The combination of iron and folate makes lentils particularly powerful for supporting overall blood health. In addition, lentils are high in fiber, which supports gut health and improves nutrient absorption. For best results, pair them with vitamin C-rich foods like tomatoes, lemon juice, or bell peppers to significantly increase iron absorption and maximize their benefits. Number 5. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they are incredibly rich in iron, making them a powerful plant-based option for supporting hemoglobin production. Just a small handful provides a meaningful boost of non-heme iron that helps your body build healthy red blood cells and improve oxygen delivery throughout the body. They're also packed with magnesium and zinc, two minerals that play important supporting roles in blood health. Magnesium supports proper circulation, while zinc contributes to immune function and cellular repair, both essential for maintaining healthy energy levels when iron is low. Another advantage of pumpkin seeds is how easy they are to include in your diet. Add them to salads, oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. For better iron absorption, pair them with vitamin C-rich foods like berries or citrus to maximize their benefits. Number 6. Sardines. Sardines are a powerful source of heme iron, the type your body absorbs most efficiently. Because heme iron comes from animal sources, it directly supports hemoglobin production and helps improve oxygen transport throughout the body. This makes sardines especially helpful for people dealing with fatigue, weakness, or low iron levels. They're also rich in vitamin B12 and high-quality protein, both essential for forming healthy red blood cells. Without enough B12, your body cannot properly produce hemoglobin hemoglobin, which can worsen symptoms of anemia. The combination of iron and B12 makes sardines a complete support system for blood health. In addition, sardines provide omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Better circulation means oxygen is delivered more efficiently to tissues and muscles. For best results, choose sardines packed in water or olive oil and include them in meals once or twice a week. Number 7. Beans. Beans such as kidney beans, black beans, and chickpeas are excellent plant-based sources of iron that help support healthy hemoglobin levels. While they contain non-heme iron, regular consumption can steadily improve your body's iron stores, especially when combined with vitamin C-rich foods. Beans are also rich in folate, which is essential for forming healthy red blood cells. Without enough folate, hemoglobin production can slow down, leading to fatigue and weakness. The combination of iron and folate makes beans particularly effective for supporting overall blood health. Another major benefit of beans is their high fiber and slow-digesting carbohydrates. This helps maintain stable energy levels throughout the day, which is especially important if low iron has been making you feel tired. For better absorption, pair beans with foods like tomatoes, lemon juice, or bell peppers to enhance their iron-boosting power. Number 8. Quinoa. Quinoa is a powerful plant-based source of iron that can help support healthy hemoglobin levels, especially for those who don't consume much meat. Although it contains non-heme iron, regular intake can contribute significantly to your daily iron needs when paired with vitamin C-rich foods. What makes quinoa unique is that it's also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Protein is essential for building and maintaining healthy red blood cells, so the combination of iron and high-quality protein makes quinoa particularly supportive for overall blood health and sustained energy. Quinoa is also rich in magnesium and fiber, which support circulation and digestive health. A healthy gut improves nutrient absorption, including iron. Use quinoa as a base for salads or as a replacement for rice to naturally strengthen your iron intake while keeping your meals balanced and satisfying. Number 9. Tofu. Tofu is an excellent plant-based source of iron, making it a valuable option for vegetarians and anyone looking to naturally support hemoglobin levels. Although it contains non-heme iron, regular intake can contribute meaningfully to your daily iron needs, especially when combined with vitamin C-rich foods. Beyond iron, tofu provides high-quality plant protein, which is essential for building and maintaining healthy red blood cells. Protein supports the structure of hemoglobin, helping your body efficiently transport oxygen throughout tissues and muscles. This can make a noticeable difference in energy levels over time. Tofu is also rich in calcium and other minerals that support overall metabolic health. Its versatility makes it easy to include in stir-fries, soups, salads, or even grilled dishes. For better iron absorption, pair tofu with foods like bell peppers, tomatoes, or a squeeze of lemon juice. Number 10. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, especially varieties containing 70% cocoa or higher, is a surprisingly good source of iron. It provides non-heme iron that can contribute to your daily intake and support healthy hemoglobin production when consumed in moderation. In addition to iron, dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants known as flavonoids. These compounds help improve blood flow and protect blood vessels, supporting better circulation. Improved circulation allows oxygen to move more efficiently throughout the body, enhancing the benefits of healthy hemoglobin levels. When choosing dark chocolate, look for high cocoa content with minimal added sugar. A small square a day can be a smart and enjoyable way to support iron intake while also benefiting heart and vascular health. Number 11. Oats. Oats are a steady and reliable plant-based source of iron that can help support healthy hemoglobin levels over time. While they contain non-heme iron, regular consumption can contribute meaningfully to your daily iron intake, especially when combined with vitamin C-rich foods. Beyond iron, oats are rich in fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which supports gut health and improves nutrient absorption. Since iron absorption begins in the digestive system, a healthy gut environment allows your body to utilize iron more effectively. Oats also provide slow-digesting carbohydrates that help maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. This is especially important if low iron has been causing fatigue or weakness. Pair oats with berries, citrus fruits, or a squeeze of lemon to enhance iron absorption and maximize their benefits. Number 12. Broccoli. Broccoli may not be the highest iron source on its own, but it plays a powerful supporting role in boosting hemoglobin levels. It contains small amounts of iron, along with an impressive amount of vitamin C, which significantly enhances the absorption of non-heme iron from plant-based foods. Vitamin C helps convert iron into a form that your body can absorb more efficiently. Without enough vitamin C, much of the iron from foods like beans, lentils, and quinoa may not be fully utilized. Adding broccoli to your meals can dramatically improve how much iron your body actually absorbs. Broccoli is also rich in folate and antioxidants that support healthy red blood cell formation and protect your blood vessels. For best results, lightly steam it and combine it with other iron-rich foods to maximize its iron-boosting benefits. Boosting hemoglobin levels isn't just about eating more iron. It's about eating the right combinations that improve absorption and support red blood cell production. When you combine heme iron sources, plant-based iron, vitamin C, and essential B vitamins, your body becomes much more efficient at restoring energy and vitality. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Healthy Grams, and share it with someone who may be struggling with fatigue or low iron. Your energy starts with your blood, and your blood starts with what you eat.